What's up, LinkedIn? So today we're back with another part of our Canva Created series, and today I'm going to show you how to make drop shadows in Canva. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so to go ahead and get started, you're just going to open up the design that you want to create, and from there you're going to choose which element you want to have this shadow effect. So for me in this case, I want to be able to have a shadow effect on the text box that says designing with shadows. And what I'll go ahead and do is create a copy of the same slide right there. And from there, I'm just going to edit the second page now and remove everything except for the element that I want to have that shadow effect on. So let me go ahead and do that. Alright, so now what I'm going to want to do is change the color of the text to black. And you can also change it to any color that you'd like, but for the sake of this, I want it to be black. Alright, now what you're going to do, this only works in the Canva work account. So you're going to go to download, and you're just going to download it as a PNG so that you can have that transparent background, and I just want the second page. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And afterwards, I'm just going to re-upload what just got downloaded, and I'll show you how to do this drop shadow. Okay, so now that my image has been uploaded, I'll go ahead and just click on that and integrate it into the first slide that we were working with already. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to drag this so that it's the exact same size as the entire page or design that you are working with. Alright, so now what you're going to do is you're going to go into the adjust feature on the top left hand side, and what that's going to do is you're going to be able to change the blur. So I'm going to make this, let's say I'll just try 20, and I think that should be good enough. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the element to the back, and I'm just going to use a shortcut, which is just Command and one of the brackets, and now it's directly behind the original text, and I can move this. And there you go. So that's how you're going to create drop shadow effects with Canva. And if you only have the work account, it's still possible to do it, especially for elements like shapes. So if you were to try and do a drop shadow of something that looked rectangular, you could easily just go on Google and look for a rectangle image that is a PNG file and just re-upload that, and you can always resize it and crop your image so that you could have that as maybe it's a backdrop for a flyer that you're reformatting so that it can be used for Instagram. So if you have any other questions about using this blur effect to create that drop shadow, feel free to let me know and I'll happily direct you to the best approach in doing so. And I'll see you on Wednesday for our next Canva Created tutorial.